Ahead of its second quarter results releasing on August 8th, Tempus AI received 510(k) clearance from the FDA for its Tempus ECG Low EF software, which uses AI to identify patients with a low left ventricular ejection fraction. This software is designed to analyze resting, non-ambulatory 12-lead ECG recordings and detect indications for a low LVEF of less than or equal to 40%. It's intended for use on clinical diagnostic ECG recordings collected at a healthcare facility from patients aged 40 years or older at risk of heart failure. Tempus ECG Low EF is the second FDA-cleared ECG AI device in Tempus AI's growing suite of next-generation devices designed to identify patients at risk for various cardiovascular conditions. The global AI ECG analysis system market is expected to witness significant growth, with a compound annual growth rate of 25.7% between 2024 and 2030, driven by the rising prevalence of cardiovascular diseases globally, particularly among the aging population. AI-powered ECG tools are emerging as a key component in modern healthcare systems, and Tempus AI's Tempus ECG Low EF software is a notable example of this trend. Beyond the push into cardiology, Tempus is driving growth with a $200 million three-year partnership with AstraZeneca and Pathos to build a large oncology foundation model. This model will utilize Tempus AI's extensive genomic, clinical, and outcomes data to improve cancer diagnostics and accelerate drug discovery. The partnership highlights strong demand for Tempus AI's multimodal data capabilities and opens up new, long-term revenue streams. Furthermore, Tempus AI's hereditary testing business, bolstered by the integration of Ambry Genetics, has seen significant growth, generating $63.5 million in revenues and reflects a 23% increase in testing volumes. This performance highlights the success of Tempus AI's strategic move to broaden its genomic footprint beyond oncology into inherited disease risk assessment. Another partnership of note is with Personalis, which adds colorectal cancer to its existing commercialization agreement. This new agreement grants Tempus AI exclusive rights to market its next personal minimum residual disease (MRD) test across 4 oncology types through 2028. The expansion follows the results from the Victory study, which showed early detection strength in colorectal cancer, crucial for timely treatment.